Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to add items to your wish list in the Cider application. Whether you are curating new season looks or saving dream outfits for future inspirations, the Cider app makes it effortless to build your own virtual closet. First of all, open up Cider application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in the home page after logging in, browse through the items in the categories and select one of the items you want to add to wishlist. Once you find the item, you will be able to see a little heart icon right under the outfit preview. Tap on the little heart icon and you will be able to add this specific item to your wishlist. Repeat this process for every other item you'd like to add to wishlist, and there you have it. Now, in order to get to your wish list, go to the home screen and tap on the wish list button at the bottom. And that's how you can easily add an item to your wish list on the Cider application. Whether you are revisiting style picks, sharing ideas with friends, or saving for later, the Cider app's wish list streamlines your fashion planning. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.